Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on break time reminder on YouTube. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. YouTube is an amazing platform with more content that you could enjoy in a lifetime, but if you're not careful, you'll spend too much of said lifetime watching videos. To save yourself from your own video addiction, it's a good idea to set regular break reminders, something the evidently self-aware YouTube app makes it easy to do. How to do it? You can just open your YouTube. Now, you can go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner. And here. In here, you can just tap on General. And you'll find there is an option, Remind me to take a break. You can just tap on the toggle in here. You can just choose you want to remind every 30 minutes, 45 minutes, every 1 hour, or you can just customize the time range. Maybe for the example, I will just choose on every 30 minutes. So when you're using YouTube, watching videos in YouTube, every 30 minutes, YouTube will remind you to take a break from watching videos in here. So simple, right? So that is how to turn on break time reminder on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.